Hello friends, today we are discuss about the No Men Are Foreign by James Kirkup. Remember, no men are strange, no country is foreign. Beneath all uniforms, a single body breathes. Like ours, the land our brothers walk upon is earth like this in which we all shall lie. They too, aware of sun and air and water, are fed by peaceful harvest by wars. Long winters serve. This poem is written by James Kirkup. This poem gives us the message of universal brotherhood of man. The poet says that we should not regard other countries as foreign. We are all citizens of the same world. People know of different countries wear different kinds of clothes, but under their different clothing, the human body is the same everywhere. In the next stanza, their hands are ours, and in their lines we read, a labor not different from our own. Remember, they have eyes like our that wake or sleep and strain that can be owned by love in every land its common life that all can recognize and understand. In this stanza there are the says about the poet the earth on which people from different countries walk is the same. People of all the countries feel the sun, air, and water just as we do. During peace time, all the countries flourish. During war time, all the countries suffer from shortage of food and other difficult. In the next stanza, let us remember whenever we are told to hate our brothers, it is ourselves that we shall dispossess, betray, condemn. Remember, we who take arms against each other, it is the human earth that we defile. Our hell of fire and dust outrage the innocence of air that is everywhere. Our own remember no men are foreign and no countries strange. In this stanza, poet says to convey when we hate others, we actually rob, deceive, and condemn our own selves. When we fight against others, we spoil the purity of our own earth. The fire and smoke from the weapons of war poisons that very air which is everywhere and which we all breathe. In this stanza, there is poem conclude the poem No Men Are Foreign. A poem by James Kirkup states that no man is foreign or strange, and we should not regard anyone as foreign or strange. The poem revolves around the idea that all men are equal, though they are separated by boundaries. There is no difference between men of different nations. In this way, poem says about the no men are foreign. All are the same. Thank you friends. Please must watch and subscribe to our channel and like to our channel. Thank you.